name is Katia. I'm 6 years old. When in February, I was 7 years old now. Next month, I was 7 years old. Okay, and first of all, we have to look at this. It has something, a lot of things to make slime. First of all, this is the glitter glue. That's you have to see a boy play with the slime, so you can notice and have this and a buffalo. And next of all is glitter. Medical liquid is also immersed. And I already put it here, and everything is fall out. And we need this, a giant bowl and a mixture. Okay. Oh, I forgot the chocolate. Okay, now time to make slime. First of all, we need this glue. Oopsie. Okay, and the beginning. I finished, and the bottle is empty. Okay, and next we have to add this medical liquid. You look like water, but you cannot drink. Don't forget 60. Okay, pour it down with the glue. I have to put all of it.
Okay.
Next we have to stir.
Mix.
Mix it. Use this. Oh, it's looking good. Oopsie. Maybe it's still good. Whoa, it's good, huh? Oopsie. Is that got it? No. I'll stir more. Mix, mix. Let's sing together. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it all around. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it all around. Mix the slime to make a slime with a magical liquid. Hooray! That's so fun. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe I add all of it. Doesn't look good.
Mm-hmm.